If you're wondering whether Mailchimp or Benchmark Email is the better choice for beginners when it comes to email marketing, then you're in the right place. Both tools offer powerful features, but the key is knowing which one aligns with your goals and workflow. So, stick around to find out which one I think stands out, especially when there's a better alternative you may want to try as well. Let's start with Mailchimp. It's one of the most well-known platforms, especially for beginners. The user interface is incredibly intuitive, making it simple to design campaigns without a steep learning curve. They also offer a free plan, which is great for those just starting out, but there are some limitations. The free plan only allows you to send up to 500 subscribers, and you'll be hit with Mailchimp's branding on your emails. So, if you're building a professional brand, this could be a downside. Next, let's talk about Benchmark Email. It's similar to Mailchimp in many ways, but has its own set of strengths. One of the main things people love about Benchmark Email is its ease of use. It's almost as simple to navigate as Mailchimp, but with fewer restrictions on a free plan. Benchmark allows you to send emails to up to 500 subscribers on its free plan, but it also lets you create unlimited landing pages, which Mailchimp doesn't. The third thing worth noting is the email templates. Both Mailchimp and Benchmark have robust libraries, but Mailchimp's templates are generally considered a bit more polished and modern. That said, Benchmark's templates aren't bad either. Benchmark focuses more on customization, allowing you to make your emails look how you want them, but that might require some extra effort compared to Mailchimp's ready-to-go designs. Now, let's talk about automation. Automation is where both tools are quite competitive, but Mailchimp arguably takes the lead here. Its advanced automation features, like send time optimization and segmentation, are fantastic for helping you target the right audience. On the other hand, Benchmark Email has automation, but lacks the level of customization and complexity that Mailchimp offers. If you're a beginner, you might not need all the bells and whistles Mailchimp offers, but it's good to know that Mailchimp gives you the tools for future growth. The fifth thing I want to mention is customer support. Both platforms offer solid support options, but Mailchimp's customer support tends to be more extensive, including live chat, phone support, and a comprehensive knowledge base. Benchmark Email offers support as well, but the live chat feature is only available on paid plans. If you're just starting out and need guidance, Mailchimp's accessibility could be a big advantage. Let's quickly talk about the downsides. Mailchimp can be a bit pricey as you scale up. Once you get past the free tier, the cost can add up quickly, especially if you're growing your subscriber base. Benchmark Email, on the other hand, is slightly more affordable for users looking to scale up without breaking the bank. So, which one should you choose? Well, it depends. If you're just starting out, both are solid options. Mailchimp gives you more advanced features if you want to grow your email marketing, but it can get expensive fast. Benchmark Email is more affordable and a bit simpler, but it might not scale as smoothly as Mailchimp if you need those higher-end features. But after trying both of these platforms myself, there's another tool I recommend. It's a great alternative for those who want a more beginner-friendly platform without the limitations of the free plans and without the high costs of scaling. If you want to find out which platform I think works best for beginners and allows you to take advantage of a free trial with exclusive benefits, be sure to check out the first link in the description. Take advantage of the best free trial and the exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. You won't regret it.